As you fall asleep, your brain never truly rests. Billions of neurons continue working, organizing memories, and preparing your mind for tomorrow. During deep sleep, your brain sorts everything you learned during the day, helping important information stay in your long-term memory. Sleep also activates your brain's natural cleaning system, removing waste products and supporting healthy brain function.
A healthy night's sleep improves concentration and problem solving,
helping children perform at their best. 12. The answer is 3.
Foods rich in healthy fats and nutrients help build and maintain brain cells. These support learning and memory. After digestion, important nutrients enter the bloodstream and reach the brain, where they help support normal brain development and function. Fruits, vegetables, dairy, seeds, and beans provide vitamins and minerals that support attention, memory, and overall brain health. A balanced diet, enough sleep, exercise, and regular learning all work together to help children reach their academic potential. Too many sugary foods and drinks may contribute to energy crashes that can make it harder for children to stay focused. Eating large amounts of heavily processed or fried foods regularly may be linked with poorer overall diet quality and less optimal brain health. For growing children, a balanced diet with whole foods, fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats provides the best foundation for healthy brain development. Every time you plug in those earphones and scroll your phone, something is quietly changing inside your brain. And most people have no idea it's happening. Your brain releases dopamine every time you get a notification. Over time, it starts craving that hit, the same way it craves food or sugar. This is phone addiction.
When earphone volume stays above 85 decibels for long periods, it destroys your cochlea. Once those tiny hair cells die, they never grow back, ever. Constant earphone use overstimulates your prefrontal cortex, your attention center. Stress hormones flood in, and your brain literally becomes too overwhelmed to focus on anything.
Sleeping with your phone blocks melatonin production. This happens directly in your pineal gland. Your brain skips deep sleep entirely. You wake up tired.
Here is my prescription. Keep your volume below 60%, rest your ears every 30 minutes, never sleep with your phone, and go offline 1 hour before bed.
Right now, as you watch this video, your brain is processing over 70,000 thoughts per day, controls your memory and your movement, and it never stops working, even when you sleep. And while your brain thinks, your heart never rests. It beats 100,000 times 60 miles of vessels. They would wrap around the earth twice. Every breath you take, your lungs filter oxygen. You breathe 22,000 times a day. When they are damaged, everything suffers. Take care of them. Meet your liver, the hardest working organ you never think about. Right now, it is performing over 100 functions. It filters blood and breaks down toxins. Without it, you cannot survive 24 hours. Your 2 kidneys are filtering your entire blood supply every minute. That means by the time you finish watching this video and control at the same time of every day. Your stomach acid can dissolve a razor blade. Right now, it's producing acid strong enough to burn through metal, but your stomach lining replaces every 3 to 4 days. Every meal you eat, your stomach breaks it down into fuel.
Every month, something extraordinary happens inside a woman's body. Your ovaries are growing and preparing eggs. Right now, a follicle is quietly growing bigger, getting ready for your cycle. Inside your ovary, one follicle wins. It grows into a Graafian follicle, a fluid-filled bubble that keeps expanding. Inside that bubble, protected by fluid, is your egg. And then it happens. A surge of luteinizing hormone, and called less than 60 minutes, your entire fertility window, ovi window, opens. Your egg does not fall into the fallopian tube by accident. At the end are fimbriae, and they sweep the egg toward the tube, and here, fertilization can happen. Eggs released, the follicle transforms. It becomes the corpus hemorrhagicum. This is completely normal. The structure is the first stage of healing. Within days, it will transform again. Every month, your body goes through this miracle. From follicle growth, to ovulation, to preparing your uterus. Never stop being amazed by what your body does for you. Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body the moment you swallow a pill? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you exactly what your body does, step by step. The moment the pill touches your tongue, your saliva begins breaking down its outer coating. This is the very first stage of absorption, and it starts in seconds. You swallow, and the pill travels down your esophagus. Muscles in your throat contract and push it downward toward your stomach. This journey takes less than 10 seconds. The pill arrives in your stomach. Your stomach acid is powerful. It breaks open the capsule and releases the medicine inside. Thousands of tiny particles are now floating in your stomach. Your stomach lining begins absorbing the medicine. The active ingredients pass through the stomach wall and enter your bloodstream. This is where the real journey begins. Before the medicine can reach the rest of your body, it must pass through your liver. Your liver filters the medicine, processes it, and decides how much gets released into your bloodstream. Now the medicine enters your bloodstream. It travels with your red blood cells through your arteries and veins, moving at incredible speed throughout your entire body. Your heart pumps the medicine-filled blood to every corner of your body. Every single beat sends the medicine racing toward the organs that need it most. If the medicine is for pain or mood, it reaches your brain. It attaches to specific receptors between your nerve cells, blocking pain signals or balancing your brain chemistry. Once your body has used the medicine, your kidneys go to work. They filter the used medicine molecules out of your blood and send them out of your body through your urine. This entire process, in under 30 minutes, your body is a perfectly designed machine that processes medicine with incredible precision. Did you know your nose is doing something extraordinary right now? Every single breath enters through your nostrils and passes through your nasal vestibule, reaches your lungs. The nasal mucosa lining it inside your nose right now, air is not just flowing straight through, swirling through 3 curved chambers called the nasal conchae, and add moisture to it. It prepares every breath for your lungs. And when you breathe out, that same air travels back down through the nasal cartilage and exits through the nostril or lungs. That is how perfectly your body was designed. Right above your nose, hidden inside your forehead bone, are your frontal sinuses. Most people never think about them until they get a headache. When they get blocked, that is you feel that pressure. Millions of microscopic hairs called cilia are waving back and forth, pushing mucus toward your throat, where you swallow it without even knowing. Your nose is fighting for you every single day. Here is what your nostril right now. Tiny scent molecules float all the way up of your nasal cavity. 10 million nerve cells are waiting. Those nerves send an